any way you slice it.
I think it was a red light run. That was definitely a red light run.
Game dominated by it. You win this game. We know what the Eagles present. We'll have all week to talk about it. We know the Eagles are going to be a very tough out. Hey, let's be honest.
Massol
no
left.
How you look at this game, no matter which of the...
Yeah, the whole story. I think you could still kick my ass because I'm not too good at wrestling.
Can I just upset some people right now? Wrestling is fake, right?
Wrestling is so fake.
Okay.
Like, wrestling is faker than me.
Wow. Even on what?
He did.
Oh, absolutely.
So definitely don't marry him.
No, don't marry him because he cheated on Rita with that girl from the show Big Love.
Oh, exit dive.
What?
There you go, Jennifer Goodman, I think.
But his arm was moving forward. Maybe it wasn't.
Massol left.
Get up.
I don't know if that got on camera or not, but we'll see. Exit dive-ish. I'll review that. I think he moved over from 90. I don't know if he did or not.
It's like, is that because he's so good? Am I really supposed to think that? Or have you made, if you tip the scales, I think that may be quarterback close to T-ball as you possibly can because offense gets the casual viewer. I don't know what, but I've never seen so many people from who gives a fuck community college step in for a guy that played at USC and just, you know, throw for 300 yards, win 4 or 5 fucking games in a row, and oh, it's left guy. Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah. To protect him too. I'm sick of
what's his face for the fucking Dolphins?
Oh, exit dive.
The Niners have to load up all their computers and all their office supplies and all their personnel and clean out the NFC
Wait, what
offices
the fuck?
and allow the Giants to get in because they had already occupied them over the weekend. That's how confident they were. Well, they lost that game, and the Giants
And you don't end up turning anyway?
beat the Bills in the Super Bowl. So it was an incredible...
What the fuck? What's up with all the cops? And does not move over or even attempt to. Right, now he gets the point. Really? No signal either. Backup of shame, backup of shame. You are backing up of shaming. Haha, sucks to be you. Oh well.
Here, because every year it goes up, and so it's been great to work with them. And so we want to thank Keith. First, we want to thank.
Hey, what the?
I want to thank Skate and Atheist crew.
Really?
Entirety because again they invited us on to come.
San Francisco got some running yardage in the fourth quarter with Mitchell. It didn't run it well. Kittle's hurt them. No
kind of wrong side of the road, and you ran the stop sign. Really?
Yeah, and so, and that's such a great tactic because it's also one that doesn't end up working, right? Because last month
postponed things for a long time. Neck deep in whatever the fuck is wrong with me, and I'm just like, how high up is this gonna go?
I think that's red light run.
It's my...
No stop.
Say you're out of your fucking mind.
It sounds like a true-false question. True or false?
Really?
A white
It's
guy
red.
ran for 500 yards in an NFL season.
You know, you expect these games to be very competitive games, and
that may have been a red light run. I mean, no one knows has a face like mistakes, and what the fuck are you doing? Won't you come and wash away the rain? What the fuck are people doing, son? Black hole, sun, won't you come? That was red light run up there. There's only one thing on our mind. These are the one that we're fine. Run it. What the fuck? Why didn't you go? What the hell? That's like the quickest. And you're just gonna keep going, even though you can't really. That's fucking weird.
Both teams have superior defensive personnel. San Francisco's got superior.
No, stop behind me.
Dallas has got plenty of talent.
Attention! Attention! That is not a parking lot. Pickup truck with Mexican plates, it looks like. And what are you doing? Alright, I'm just gonna go here. Oh, I left turn regret behind me. Yeah, it's fucking hopeless. Although that Toyota turd was behind me in this lane when we turned earlier, so I don't know why I had to move to the left just to move back over again. Do not enter! Do not enter! It says do not enter there. You entered. You did not follow the almighty sign rules. Finally. Dude, you had to stop behind you. This is fucking awesome. I wear your granddad's clothes. You got no headlights on. It's getting dark out. You cannot see down the road. No stop behind me. I knew it. And no stop again. That guy. Alright. Here I am in the snowy wilderness, and I'm going to talk about Cocaine Bear because I saw it last night. The movie was very disappointing. I thought it was going to be way more. It was very gory, I'll give it that, but it wasn't as over the top as I thought it would be. I was thinking it would be something like Snakes on a Plane where a lot of people were killed, but I think only like 8 people were killed in that entire movie, and 2 of them were killed by other humans. Not to spoil anything, but that ended up happening. So it's like there wasn't that much carnage as I would have liked in a over-the-top ridiculous movie such as this. And also the ending scenes kind of sucked. Basically it was shot at night, so it was dark out in the middle of the woods and you couldn't see anything. And that was where the main bad guy of the movie was eventually killed. And that was supposed to be a big payoff. Well, except for one thing, the bad guy didn't really, you can't see it, first of all. That's the first bad thing about it. And second of all, he didn't really do that many bad guy type things within the movie to really warrant being the bad guy. So the payoff of having him being killed by the bear, you know, wasn't really that satisfying to me. It's like if he was more of a douchebag and, I don't know, did something more wrong, then yeah, seeing him being eaten by the bear would have been perfect. But, you know, I just think that whole character was so sorely underdeveloped. That's all I'm saying here. We're just told, hey, the guy's a drug dealer, and he's supposed to be bad, so we're supposed to be rooting against this guy. But, no! Have him be a douchebag. The worst thing he did was that he left the kid home all alone. That just, and he did kill that one cop, which, that's spoilers. I'm going to put a spoiler warning on this video. I mean, the movie wasn't that terrible. I mean, it was suspenseful. It was more suspenseful than I thought it would be. There was a lot of the bear lurking in the woods. It's like, okay, when's it going to attack? That had the movie, that part of the movie was like, especially early on, was going pretty good. I would like to say about half of the jokes landed and got a laugh out of me. So it was fun in that aspect. And also, I did like the fact that the bear only got angry when you took its cocaine away from it. And then once it got its cocaine fixed, it was cool for a little while. So, I like that aspect. Those parts of the movies were pretty funny. As far as acting goes, most of the characters were not on screen long enough to really care about them because, like, again, there was only a couple characters, and a lot of them were killed by the bear at some point. So there was that. The two kid actors were okay, I guess. The one little boy was a little bit funny. The girl's mother was okay. The little girl did okay. She wasn't on screen that much. And those were basically your main characters. And you had the three drug dealers, and of course the head drug dealer is the bad guy. For that being Ray Liotta's, last role ever, I wish more was done with it. Maybe they wanted to film some more scenes with him, but he died, unfortunately, so I don't know if they ever got a chance to do that. So overall, it's 3 out of 5 stars. That was fun to see it with a crowd, but I wouldn't waste your money on it. Okay, bye!